everyone! Welcome back to English Buddy, your friendly place to learn simple, powerful English every single day. I'm Steve.
And I'm Nancy. Today we're talking about something almost every learner faces at some point. You understand English. You can follow movies or YouTube videos, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes totally blank. So let's get started.
Nancy, this is one of the most common messages we get, right?
Oh, yes, every single week. People say, Nancy, I understand everything, but I just can't speak. And trust me, if you feel the same, nothing is wrong with you.
Absolutely. It's normal. It happens to millions of learners. Think of it like driving. You watch people drive for years, but when you sit in the driver's seat, your hands shake.
Or like swimming. You can watch 100 swimming videos, but the first time you jump into the pool, your brain says, wait, what do I do now?
Same with English. Understanding is one skill, speaking is a totally different one.
Let's talk about why this happens. Many learners think something is wrong with their memory, but honestly, the main reason is simple. You spend more time listening, watching, reading, but very little time actually producing English.
Yes, your brain becomes great at recognizing English, but not at building sentences quickly.
It's like keeping ingredients in the kitchen, but never cooking.
Exactly. You have all the vegetables, spices, everything, but no dishes coming out.
And another reason? Fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of sounding funny, fear of judgment.
Oh, yes. Many learners are scared of speaking because they think someone will laugh.
But here's the truth. Nobody cares. People are happy when you try. Even native speakers make small mistakes sometimes.
Let's fix this. Let's talk about easy steps that actually help.
First one is start small. Super small. Don't try to speak like a news reporter on day one.
Yes. Start with little things like, "Good morning. How are you? I'm doing fine. I'm going to work."
These tiny sentences build confidence. They train your mouth to move.
And they reduce that fear. When your brain sees, "Oh, hey, I did it, no problem," you grow braver.
This one is my favorite. Talk to yourself. Not loudly in the street, unless you want to, but at home.
I do it too. Yesterday I was cooking and saying, "Okay, now I'm cutting the onions. Now I'm frying the garlic."
See? That's how the brain learns natural speaking. Narrate your actions. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm opening the window. I'm charging my phone.
It feels silly at first, but it works like magic.
Let's imagine a simple morning scene. Let's say you wake up and want to practice English.
Okay, here's how it could sound. I'm waking up now. I feel a little sleepy. I'm gonna wash my face. Now I'm making tea. The water is boiling.
Super simple but powerful. You get comfortable making sentences fast.
Many learners freeze because they think everything must be perfect.
Yes, they want perfect grammar, perfect accent, perfect vocabulary.
But perfection kills progress. Communication is the real goal.
Exactly. If you say, yesterday, I go market, people still understand you.
And guess what? Over time, with practice, your grammar naturally improves.
Another big step is immersion. Even if you're not in an English-speaking country, you can create an English environment.
Watch English shows. Listen to English songs. Switch your phone to English.
When English surrounds you daily, speaking becomes easier.
It's like your brain starts breathing English.
Many learners memorize word lists. Cat, dog, table, window.
But words alone are not helpful. Learn full phrases.
Yes, phrases are ready-made sentences. When you need them, they come out immediately. Examples: Could you help me with this? I'm not sure about that. Give me a second.
These become automatic with practice.
Let's do a small role play. Imagine you're in a cafe,
Okay, I'll be the learner.
and I'm the barista. Ready?
Ready.
Hi there. What would you like today?
One coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
See? Very simple. No fancy English required. Even 3-word sentences work.
This one is powerful. Shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly after them like an echo.
Start with short lines. For example, from a movie. I'll be right back. Hold on a minute. That's interesting.
Repeat with the same rhythm, the same tone.
It improves your fluency faster than grammar books.
Let's try a few right now. Learners listening, repeat after us.
Ready?
I can do this.
I'm learning every day.
English speaking is getting easier.
I'm improving step by step.
If you repeated that, you just practiced speaking. Good job.
Many learners forget to celebrate progress. They only focus on mistakes.
Yes, but today maybe you said 2 sentences. Celebrate that.
Maybe tomorrow you say 3. Celebrate again.
Progress is progress, no matter how small.
People think fluent speakers are just talented. No, they practice daily.
Even 10 minutes per day is powerful if you stay consistent.
Think of your brain like a plant. Water it daily. Small amount is enough, but don't wait 1 month and then pour a full bucket.
Let's give learners a simple 10-minute routine.
Yes, here it is. 2 minutes. Deep breath. Relax. 2 minutes. Speak simple sentences about your day. 2 minutes. Describe one object around you. 2 minutes. Shadow a short video. 2 minutes. Practice 3 simple phrases.
That's it. 10 minutes and you're improving daily.
If you understand English but can't speak yet, trust us, you're much closer than you think.
You already have the knowledge inside your head. Now your mouth just needs practice.
No judging, no pressure, no perfection.
Just small steps every day.
Thanks for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to come back for more easy English conversations.
Take care, everyone. See you in the next one.